There is nothing more exhausting than feeling like your floors are never clean, especially if you have pets, kids, or a busy schedule. You vacuum and somehow 5 minutes later, there's already crumbs or hair everywhere again. I finally got to the point where I realized I needed help keeping up with the house, and honestly, this robot vacuum and mop has made such a difference in my daily stress level. I can vacuum every day if I want to and do no extra work. The thing that impressed me right away is that this is not one of those random little vacuums that just bumps into walls all day. This uses LiDAR smart mapping technology, so it actually scans your home and creates a floor map. It learns your rooms, cleans and organized lines instead of random circles, and avoids furniture and obstacles really well. It can even save up to 5 different maps, which is amazing if you have multiple floors. You get both vacuuming and mopping in one machine, plus app control, voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant, obstacle avoidance, customizable cleaning schedules, and multiple cleaning modes. There are 6 different cleaning modes, including zigzag, edge cleaning, spot cleaning, scheduled cleaning, and manual mode. The suction is really powerful, so it easily picks up pet hair, dust, crumbs, and all the little things that somehow end up on the floor every day. I also love that it has different suction levels depending on what you need. Quiet mode is super soft and peaceful if you want it to run at night, and max mode is amazing for high traffic areas or deeper cleans. Another thing I appreciate is how customizable it is. In the app, you can create no-go zones so it avoids certain areas like pet bowls, cords, or rugs you don't want mopped. That feature alone makes it feel so much more high-end. And if you're worried that this is difficult to use, it's honestly very beginner-friendly. The app walks you through setup, and once the map is built, it pretty much does everything itself. For me personally, this has helped my home feel cleaner without me constantly thinking about cleaning. I wake up to fresh floors, less pet hair, and less stress. And as someone who works from home creating content, having one less daily chore to worry about honestly has been amazing. It's also surprisingly quiet. In quiet mode, it runs at about 45 decibels, so you can still watch TV, work, or relax while it cleans. If you've been debating getting a robot vacuum because you think they're gimmicky or won't actually work, this one completely changed my mind. The smart mapping, strong suction, and mop feature together make it feel like a real upgrade for your home. If you want cleaner floors with way less effort, definitely check out this one.